Hello, I'm going to show you two methods today that you can use to create an assignment in Canvas that will prompt or force students to make a copy of a Google Doc. They can then complete that assignment separately without impacting your original because it's a copy in their drive. And then they'll be able to then upload that to Canvas and submit it to you for grading. Okay? Two methods to do that. So I'm going to go to assignments. And I have actually already created this, but if I hadn't, I would click Add Assignment. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go into the assignment that I've already built. Okay, I called it Test Google 1. I've included some instructions for my students. Please open the document linked below. Complete the assignment following the instructions provided, and submit it here when you're finished. And there's a graphic organizer that I'd like them to complete. So I went into my drive and I found the document that I want them to make a copy of. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this link, okay, and I'm going to modify it slightly. So when I go back to Canvas, and I put that link in, all I've done is I've changed the last word of that link from edit to copy. So if I paste the original, you'll see here it said edit. I got rid of the word edit and I added the word copy. Sometimes there's some extra letters after that. All of it goes away. So all you want is the last word to be copy, and that's from wherever it said edit in the original URL. You delete the word edit and replace it with the word copy. Okay. Cool. For submission type, I'm going to choose online. I'm going to select both website URL and file uploads. Chosen a due date just because it's going to make me. And now I have this assignment. Okay. And so this is an assignment that's going to force kids to make a copy of a Google Doc, and then they'll be able to submit that back to me. There is another way to do that. So if I go to assignments and I create another assignment, okay, and I'll call this Test Google number 3, because I've done this a few times now, okay, and I choose submission type as external, I can click Find, and then I can choose a Google Docs Cloud assignment. It will take me to my drive, and I will be able to actually search for the document that I want kids to make a copy of. Okay. And I'm going to click Submit, Select. Okay. Again, I'll choose a due date, and I'll hit Save and Publish. Okay. So that's two different methods for how you can have kids make a copy, be able to edit it, and submit it back. What you'll see here in the assignment preview for this option is that it's actually going to give me a preview where I can theoretically type in here as a kid, blah, 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 and then submit it when I'm ready. Okay. The other assignment that we created, Test Google number 1, instead is going to have kids click on a link. That's going to force them to make a copy. And then when they hit submit, I can show you that. So actually, I'm going to really quickly go to Student View, go to Assignments, go to Test Google number 1. Again, I can click on that link. It's going to force me to make a copy of that assignment. I'll make a copy. I can then complete the assignment, and when I'm ready, I can submit it back. And I can submit it by finding it in my Google Drive. I can submit it by giving the teacher the link to it as well. So those are two different methods for having students make a copy of an assignment and then submitting it back to you in Canvas using Google Drive. Thanks.